Hello friend, since you clicked on this video, it means you are looking for a shortcut method to improve your English speaking ability. My friend, the technique which I am going to share with you is very effective. It is a complete pack of everything that is needed to improve your English speaking ability. So, my friend, if you follow this technique just for 21 days, you will be able to enhance your pronunciation, your vocabulary, your comprehension, and your English speaking ability. Apart from this, you will be able to eliminate two major problems, such as when the time comes to speak, my mind goes blank and I don't find right word at right moment to use at right place. So my friend, you will be able to eliminate these two major problems as well. So I would like to recommend you not only watch this video fully, but watch it carefully, because this video is going to change your whole way of learning English language. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. Hey friend, my name is Shivanand Maurya and you are watching on channel Shiva के साथ English की बात. My friend, to follow this unique method, you have to keep four things ready: a pen, a notebook, a mirror, and your mobile which has internet. So now let's move on and talk about the steps to be followed under this unique technique. Step number one. My friend, in the first step, you have to write a short story from your daily life experiences. Yes, my friend, whatever you are experiencing from morning till evening, whatever conversation you are having throughout the day, you have to recall those conversations and write a short story. My friend, apart from this, what you can do, if any accident happening in front of you, if you are attending any birthday party, any wedding, or you are celebrating any event, so you can write about those things as well. So my friend, let me make it clear that you have to write your story in your mother tongue. And where you have to write? You have to write your story on left side of your notebook. So my friend, hope you understood the first step. Let's move on and talk about step number two. In the second step, you have to translate your story into English language. Yes, my friend, you have to take help from Google Translator or any other app, and you have to translate your story in English. So now let's move on towards third step of this unique method. My friend, in the third step, you have to listen to your English version story twice or thrice just by clicking on the speaker button of Google Translator. Yes, my friend, you have to listen to your English version story at least twice or thrice. This is the third step. Now let's talk about step number four. In step number four, what you have to do? You have to write your English version story on right side of your notebook. Yes, my friend, you have to copy your English version story from Google Translator and write down. You have to note down on right side of your notebook. Now let's move on and talk about last and fifth step of this unique technique. Yes, my friend, in the fifth step, you have to read your story out loud in front of mirror. Yes, my friend, you have to pretend like you are telling your English version story to someone. Someone is listening to you and you are explaining your English version story to someone. So this is the fifth step of this unique method. Now let's talk about the two major problems, how you are going to eliminate two major problems about which we talked earlier. So my friend, let's take example of tank and a tap. If tank is full of water, then only you will be able to take water from tap. In same way, if your head is full of words and sentences related to your daily life conversation, then only you will be able to use the right word at the right moment and your mind will not go blank. Right? So my friend, follow this process at least for 21 days, and after 21 days you will realize that how much you have improved. So my friend, that's all for the today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel and share this video to others as well. So see you in next video. Till the time, goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself.